Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing some Super Pro bushings. We got Daniel here. It's pretty cold outside. But we're finally replacing all the arms in the rear, or the bushings in the rear, because everything else is new except these bushings back there and the bushing on the traction arm, which is right there. So we're gonna take the arms out and try to press them out, burn them out, however people do it. So yeah, let's take out the arms. First things first, coil over sway bar, and you're able to take out this arm. So yeah. All right, if you don't want to get alignment like me, make sure you mark where the alignment tool or the alignment bolt is. Mark it. Let's see, mark 2 spots here. That's not a good mark. Okay, that should be good. All right, so first things first, take out this bolt right here, 17. Got that one out. Slide out. And then more bolts back here. Should be 17 as well. Right here, take that out. All right, we got this traction arm, lateral link, whatever they call it. We're gonna take out the lower control arm now, which you gotta loosen the coil over. Should be like a 19, it should be a 12. And then we can take out this bolt and that bolt. All right, so these are the arms that we're gonna be swapping out the bushings for. We got this part number right here. You can actually get this on our website at lunaticco.com, but this is the part number that you're looking for. We have it on our website, so you'll find it pretty easy. This one is for the traction arm. This one is for the lower control arm. I'm gonna press it in like that. We'll remove the other side and then we'll start working on pressing these out. All right, all the arms are out. You can see right here. See if they're straight. Make sure nothing's bent. It looks good. Arms right here. Bushings don't look that bad, honestly, but having fresh bushings all around will make the car feel so much better. So we're gonna press these out. We're gonna burn these. Burn this. Hammer it out, and then try to cut the inside the housing, and it should hopefully come out pretty easily, but we'll see. Falling out already. There we go. It's on fire still. Oh. That works. One more to go. One more to go. All right, so now we need to cut the metal race in there. You can see it. Got the saws off. Hopefully this works. Hopefully it doesn't vibrate too much. All right, we popped this out. Basically what we did was, you can see right here, we cut a slit right here, and just hammered it out right here. So 3 more to go, and then we can press them in.
All right, what's your plan with this?
All right, so I think we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna cut 3 slits, kind of how we did on this one. There's 1 cut right there and then 2 right there, and you can hammer it out. So let's give that a try. Shit. Shit. All right, I think we found the best method. We're gonna cut slits right here, and then we cut on the other side as well. I'll show you right now. Cut a couple slits right here, and we're just hammering the shit out of it. But it's working. Maybe not the cleanest job. There we go. Just a lot of cutting. Cut the top slit, the slit right there on the, kind of where the lip is. You can see, cut right there. Cut right there. Shaking because I've been hammering all day. We figured out how to press it in. I have this huge socket. We put these two sockets in between the spacing of the bushing so it doesn't compress. And we have a wrench to press on the bushing so it doesn't break it. And I got a breaker bar. Put it on this. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to use this in this way, but you do what you gotta do. So let's get it done. It's going in. Is it? Yeah. Ready? Right here. Alright, watch it press in. And then I got this to actually work. Going in?
Yeah.
All right, you can watch me set it up. All right, for the traction arm, I actually have it the same method. You can see right here, I have a piece of wood pressing against the bushing into the arm. All right, now it's time to pop these into right here. It's all right, time to press it in. Should pop in pretty easily. Here you go. A lot of grease, but got it all in. All right, I got all the arms in. It's time to throw it on the car now. Let's go. Time to install everything in reverse. I think the traction arms are exactly the same, so don't gotta worry about that. These arms, they are directional, so you gotta make sure which one's which. This is the driver's side, this is the passenger side. How do I know? Because how oily this one is. This is the one that came off the side that broke. And to confirm, there should be a marking on there somewhere. All right, don't wanna get into technical because I showed you guys how to remove it, but we're gonna put that bolt back in the back, right there. Slide this up. Shit. Bolt it back on right here. All right, all the arms are in. The alignment should be the same because I put it where it was marked, but it's time to lower the car, maybe go for a test drive. It's pouring rain, so maybe not, but eventually we'll test this video. We'll test it in the next video, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.